In this chapter, we show how to disassemble and assemble the device and how to clean and disinfect. The reprocessing should be started with the humidifier cleaning. When the automatic humidifier cleaning mode is activated, the residual water in the humidifier is boiled, so all remaining germs are killed. The duration of the cleaning may last up to 60 minutes. Closing of the water supply shortens humidifier cleaning time. Draeger recommends performing an automatic humidifier cleaning prior to any reprocessing of the device. Automatic humidifier cleaning can be performed with the hood open or closed. Draeger recommends opening the hood because this allows humidity to escape and prevents possible condensate formation. To start, touch the special procedures and then open the humidifier cleaning tab. Then touch the on button and confirm. It's absolutely vital that no patient is in the device during humidifier cleaning. Do not disassemble the device while humidifier cleaning mode is running. Press Exit to close the humidifier cleaning dialog. To disassemble Babyleo, you must first properly switch off the device. And disconnect the mains plug. Now we're ready to disassemble. Remove the insert from the drawer. Open the hood and remove the sealings on both sides of the hood frame. Gently raise the side access panels and the front access panel and fold downward. Remove the hose grommets from each corner as you fold the panels down. Remove as well the grommet in the middle of the front access panel and the one in the sensor wall for a total of 6 pieces. Then, gently press the 2 mini walls at both ends of the mattress tray outwards. Then tilt them towards the mattress tray and remove them. If the heated mattress and the scale are available, remove both cables on the rear of the sensor wall. Remove the heated mattress or the soft bed from the mattress tray. Remove the mattress tray. Open the X-ray flaps on both sides. Pull out the X-ray tray as far as it will go. Lift it slightly and then pull it out completely. Remove the bed support and the T-bars. Remove the small and large cover for the warm air duct. Lastly, raise and remove the fan impeller. Please note that an overview of the surface disinfectants compatible with Babyleo is available in the instructions for use. Also, follow the instructions for the disinfectants according to the manufacturer's information. If no specific instructions for use are available for the approved device accessory, accessories can be reprocessed by means of surface disinfection using the listed surface disinfectants. Surface disinfection is suitable to disinfect the device and all components. Additionally, machine cleaning is also suitable for the fan impeller and the hose grommets. Make sure the inside and outside of the hood are cleaned and disinfected. Treat the hood seal, ensuring that the disinfectant also comes into contact with the inner part of the hood seal. The hood seal can be immersed into a disinfectant solution. Wipe the inside and outside of the side panels. Pay particular attention to the locking mechanism of the hand ports. Thoroughly wipe the grip on the X-ray flap. To clean the air ducts of the X-ray flap, pull a piece of cloth soaked in disinfectant through each duct. wipe all the handles on the device. Prior to the assembly of Babyleo, make sure the device has been reprocessed and the automatic humidifier cleaning has been performed. You are now ready to assemble Babyleo following these steps. Begin by inserting the fan impeller. Ensure that it is tightly pressed down and clicks into position. Insert the large and small cover for the warm air duct. Next, attach the T-bars. Fit the bed support and push it over the T-bars and connect the scale cable to the rear sensor wall. You must then slide in the X-ray tray. Afterwards, fit the mattress tray in place. Place the mattress on the mattress tray. If the device has the heated mattress, you need to pull the cables through the hose grommets, then push it into the cable guides and plug into the rear of the sensor wall. Now insert the two mini walls at both ends of the mattress tray. As you fold the side and front access panels upward, insert the grommets in their respective positions. Close the X-ray tray flaps. All access panels must be securely latched in place. Last, fasten the seals on the edges of the hood. Close the hood and ensure the seals are correctly positioned. If available, place the insert in the drawer. Please note, always check with the instructions for use prior to using.